Hi guys, it's Georgia and welcome to my mum's house. We are at me mother's house. We're here to do her ensuite reno.
I had to ask Georgia what my style was because I didn't really know.
So we've gone for a terrazzo tile, like a crackle look subway, and a fun mirror. It's been a journey to hone it in and make it a bit
Do you think we've honed it in?
Yes. Before we came in and worked our magic, we were working with a stunning blue and white bathroom. Had a massive spa bath in the corner that wasn't used. And we also had beautiful support rails as cabinet handles, which was a nice little touch. We have stripped the room back to its bare bones. Vic and the guys have done a great job at framing up for the niche and the vanity and toilet that's already been roughed in. And we've also done the framing up for the new cavity door that we're putting in as well, which will help open up the space.
Oh, look at that. When you got the pins, you got to use them.
We are up to tiling stage at Thomas Street. So we've got Ilya running the show. We're doing a beautiful terrazzo look tile to halfway up. And then just to break it up a bit, we're doing a cracked subway tile to the ceiling for a bit of difference.
Well, it's going to be an easy setup. It's not like a huge bathroom. So normally we start from the center of the shower base, and the outline normally matches the shower head, which is now in the ceiling anyway. And then we just like go as it ends on the walls. And we try not to have small offcuts all around the side of the walls.
So in order to make the most of the space, we've changed the layout to work better for my mum. At first, we had the toilet up on the entry, which is just not aesthetically pleasing. So we put the vanity here instead, tuck the toilet away behind the wall here. And we've actually removed the spa bath because she's not a bath person and would much rather have a big luxurious shower instead of a bath. The one thing she did request was a concrete basin, and we went for a beautiful peachy colour with a nice organic texture of the concrete, which really pairs nicely with the rest of the stuff we've got going on. We also changed the door from a hinge to a cavity slider, just because a hinge is going to take up too much space in already a small bathroom. So the cavity slider still gives you the privacy but doesn't affect the flow of the room. One of my favourite things about the space is the terrazzo look tiles that we were able to use. The living space in the house has polished concrete, which has a similar look, which is what we actually wanted to achieve in here, but we weren't sure what the finish would be and if it would match outside. So instead of risking going for something that might not look the same, we've gone for a tile which we have control over. So to break up the space a bit, we've brought our floor tiles up to 1200 high, and then we've used a crackle subway tile above, which gives a nice little texture within the space. It also creates a nice line for a niche, so we've run that all the way across. So because we're working with a lot of hard angles within this space, in order to soften it a bit, we've gone for subtle curves around the space. So we've got in our vanity mirror, we've gone for an arch, and then in our shower screen, we've just on the corner gone for a little curve as well, just to soften it up a little bit. So how are you liking your bathroom?
Loving it.
Loving it?
Just loving it.
What's your favourite thing?
Probably that the shower is so easy to just get in and get out. You don't have to walk over anything. Thank you, Georgia and MJ Harris, for
Piece to camera this bit. We're going to cut this.
making the process possible for me to do when I had no flaming idea of what I was doing, and easy to get through in terms of you could accommodate a dog and a slightly crazy chemistry teacher at the same time and still make a beautiful room for me to be in.